can a simple update from a large, fast, and slow mechanical hard drive to a light and fast, 5 times as fast at that solid state hard drive help your Cinebench scores? That's what I want to find out and test today. So the test is complete and I got the same exact score. No surprise. But Task Manager is going to tell me exactly what happened. And looking back at it, I can see that the CPU usage was 100%. But the disk drive, it was at 0%. The Cinebench score in the test, it's a synthetic test, it's running off the CPU. It's not doing anything with the hard drive. So if you have a super fast, ridiculously fast hard drive, or if you have a moderate one, maybe a slow one may affect it, maybe not. I'm not sure. But for what I see right now, a hard drive, SSD, will not affect your Cinebench score.